How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to one more episode of Wine Reviews with Mel in Palm Springs, California, here in our shop. Today we're going to talk about the Details. Now this wine is a sweetheart to many people, many winemakers. You must have heard about the name Sinegal. They call it a second child, but it won a great reviews with Vinous. They rated it at, I guess, 95 points. Very low production, 9,000 cases. So let's check it out. So the Details California Cabernet Sauvignon. The winemaker is Ryan Knoth, and he's been supervised by Jim Sinegal and David Sinegal, the owners of Sinegal Winery up in Napa Valley. The fruit for Details comes from Alexander Valley, Knights Valley. The area is a broader one, not like a single vineyard like a Rutherford of Sinegal wines. So we're expecting more of cocoa because of the aging of the wine. They have aged the wine for 15 months in 55% new French oak. Now that is slightly more pushing on it, but so doesn't scare me away. And the price point on this wine is super affordable. The club members get a super nice discount on that. Let's not talk about it too much and let's taste it. So pour me a half a glass of it. While it aerates, let me tell you about the blend. It's actually 78% Cabernet Sauvignon. They've added Merlot, Malbec, Petit Syrah, and also Petit Verdot. That nose is so bright. Swirling it, I can literally smell it. Wow. I'll correct myself. It is not 15 months, it's actually 16 months in the new French oak. The juice is aged for 16 months. So let's check the color out. Really nice ruby red, quite opaque. And you can see the legs forming on the glass already. Beautiful. Let's check the nose. Wow. Minerals are pouring out. Really ripe fruits. You can have a nice base of spice of sage, I would say, like underbush. Wow. Nice mineral character to it. It just revolves around your nose a lot. Wow. Let's take a sip. Dark, ripe fruits. Nice minerality going on. Very smooth. Great harmony in the flavors and the acidity. It's on a brighter side. Wow. For the price point and the rating of like 95 points from Vinous, it's hard to beat. When it comes to point scale, you know, like I'm not trying to deny that 95 is too much or less, but again, you know, being a score like 95, absolutely phenomenal for the price. I hope you enjoyed it. Cheers.